Bonjour les amis! Welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's words tell us what it's like outside. La météo. Can you say that with me? La météo. La météo means the weather in French. We check la météo every morning to know if we need an umbrella, a coat, or sunglasses. Let's have a little story. Fred et Renette are looking at the window before going out on a picnic. Renette, comment est la météo today? Asked Fred. Renette points up to a big, white, fluffy shape in the sky. Look! Oh, I see un nuage. Un nuage is a cloud. Les nuages are floating softly in the blue sky. Suddenly, the leaves on the tree start to wiggle and dance. Feel le vent, laughs Fred. Le vent is the wind in French. Le vent blows Fred's hat right off his head. Renette looks at the dark, gray sky in the distance and hears a tiny rumble. Oh no! Une big tempête is coming. Do you know what's tempête? Tempête is a storm. Uh-oh. It's time to head inside where it's safe and all dry. Fred and Renette love watching la météo change from sunny to windy and sometimes to stormy. So, let's remember all together the main vocab that we just saw. First thing, la météo. La météo is the weather. Then we have le nuage. Le nuage is the cloud. Then we have another thing, which is le vent. Le vent is the wind. And last but not least, we have la tempête. What is la tempête? The storm. Good job! I hope that you guys like this video. Tell me, are you more up to le soleil, la tempête, le vent? What's your favorite météo? Tell me in the comment section and don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun and French videos. Salut!